Sunday night prep time for the week. I've got my baked eggplant with tomatoes and onions, green peppers, garlic. You can find that on my videos. Delish. All vegan, vegetarian. I've got some delicious pickling cucumbers. I love eating them. They're just so crisp and good. Bing cherries. My favorites. Delicious blackberries. And this delicious cantaloupe. So here's my prep for the next couple of days. Got a couple of great tomatoes and some avocados. So I'm trying to stick to a delicious but healthy weeks full of yumminess. This will just be easier when I want something sweet or want to eat something healthy, and I just loving it. I could even take this to the beach. Have a great week.